If you have 2 yards Ankara material, come closer. Let me show you what you can create with it. Now, I'm going to start by getting my 2 yards Ankara material and getting probably one office pen is okay for me to do this, and we are good to go. So you can see how I directed the material just in length form. Then I'm going to place from the back like this towards the front and knot it once. Take note, not once. So the excess, I'm directing it to the front where I'm going to fold it into 2 parts, then one inside that place to cover my head up, and the excess falls back at the front. Adjust the one you put in very well, make it smart and firm on your head. Then the excess that falls back at the front, you're going to adjust the side as well. Then you're going to be using your hand to grab everything together while you use the remaining parts of the one you knotted once earlier to knot it up. So I'm trying to secure here, so I'll go twice here and secure the excess. So after that, I have this left. I just have this left ear. So this one that we have left, you're going to dip your hand in and adjust it. The first part, you're going to adjust it, make it equal, and find a way to take it to the back and secure under, or you use your office pin to secure it down. While you are looking for a way to secure, also use your hand to shaping the front. Okay, it is very necessary. So that's the excess I'm securing there, I'm keeping there, and I'll still go back to the front and see what I can do to the other part. If you like, you can stretch the other part the way we did to the first one, but I feel it's going to look more big on my head, so I decided to fold in like this. Just roll it in like this. Very simple to do, trust me guys. Just roll it in and you're going to form like this shape. Then this is where you need your office pin. If you want, it's not necessary, but I just feel I should just secure it. Okay, so I'll be needing one office pin to match the two together, okay, at that angle. So once I secure the part, I think I'll now have time to adjust. Here I'm adjusting. Now I'm already with my office pin and I'm tacking the bolt together. The both parts is joined together here, and it's just for me to adjust and bring out the shape to my desired one. So here's the final look guys. I love it. Will you try it? See you guys.